Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Gypsy Wife Life. In today's video, I am going to be sharing a grocery haul with y'all, an HEB grocery haul. I'm also gonna be whipping up some tuna for tuna sandwiches, and I'm also going to be cooking dinner for me, Alan, and my cousin Ryan. So that will be later in the video. We just got back from Kroger. I wanted to show you something we got really quick because I never tried it before and I just wanted to share it. And then I also got something in the mail I want to share with y'all, so let's just get to it. This video is gonna be like 2 different days in one video, but let's just roll with it. Look at these. I don't know if y'all remember a while back, we were getting the Kroger seltzer waters. We would get like the lemon and stuff, but we just seen this flavor today, watermelon. I haven't tried it yet, but isn't this packaging so cute? Pink and green. I'm about to pop these in the icebox so they can get cold, and then I'm gonna be tasting one in a little bit, but I just want to share them with y'all because they're so cute. They're watermelon seltzer waters, 0 calories, caffeine free, no sugar. They better be good. We also got a pack of Kroger Cola, which we haven't got in a long time because they were always out of it, but we snagged some today. Okay, so this is the thing that I got in the mail that I wanted to show y'all. This is from Skylar Clean Beauty. That's the brand. I've never had anything from this brand before, but I seen they had a thing for it on the Octoly app. I did get this complimentary from Skylar to try, so I wanted to share it with y'all. I already opened it up in the truck. I was way too excited to save the unboxing for the camera, but you guys, I want to talk to y'all about this because I'm in love. So this is a perfume from the brand Skylar. I've seen this brand so many times and I've always wanted to try their perfumes, but I never have, and this is my first time owning one. And let me tell you, I sprayed it already in the truck because I just got the mail and I opened the package. I put it on me and I'm already obsessed. So this is the packaging. It says Dream and Clean. These are clean fragrances, which I love. So this is what the packaging looks like. So this is the Skylar Clean Beauty perfume. It's hypoallergenic, it's safe for sensitive skin, eco-friendly. It's got some scent notes on the back here. This one is called Vanilla Sky. So when I first seen it, that's what caught my eye, the name of it. I love anything vanilla, and then I just like the name of it, Vanilla Sky. So this is Vanilla Sky. The scent notes are cappuccino, pure vanilla, and caramelized cedar. When I tell you, this perfume is absolutely delicious. It is delicious. Like, it smells amazing. It is such a nostalgic scent. It has so much of like a pure vanilla scent, as if you were up in the kitchen baking some cookies or something, some kind of little sweet treat. It smells like that pure vanilla smell. It's absolutely delish. I love it so much. So yeah, this is what the bottle looks like. The back has a sky on it. It says Vanilla Sky on the inside there. I am going to be wearing this all winter. I'm in love with it. I am in love. Oh my gosh, I just want to cover myself in it. If you like vanilla scents, you would be addicted to this one. I just got it like 20 minutes ago and I'm already addicted to it. So you can actually get this perfume at Sephora, which I didn't even know. I'm gonna have to go to Sephora and see if they have any of the other Skylar perfumes because I want to smell some other ones of theirs that I've seen online. But yeah, you can find this at Sephora. This would be a perfect gift for Christmas. I smell so good right now. Again, I want to mention that these are hypoallergenic. They are good for those with sensitive skin. They are clean, non-toxic, cruelty-free, vegan. They also come in sustainable and eco-friendly packaging. And this being the first scent I've ever smelled from Skylar Beauty Perfumes, definitely gonna go to Sephora and check out the other scents. So anyways, yeah, I just thought I would share that with you. Check it out, I have it linked down below. It's amazing. Anyways, let's get into this grocery haul and all of the cooking or whatever I'm doing next. Let's just get right to it. Okay, so this is the day before actually. I know I filmed this backwards, but it's all good.
On this morning, I had some coffee, I took a shower, got ready for the day, threw my makeup on, did my hair and got dressed, and now I'm going to be making my bed. Well, actually, I'm stripping my bed and putting on new sheets. Then I'm going to be going to the grocery store. So I just got this new sheet set in and a throw blanket from a company called Bear. I got both items complimentary from the company. So this is a set of flannel sheets and a Sherpa throw blanket. I'll have their website linked down below if you want to check them out. These sheets feel amazing, by the way. I don't think I've ever owned a set of flannel sheets before. These are perfect for any time, but especially perfect for right now since the weather is changing and we just got a cold front in. So these are going to be so cozy to sleep in tonight. The sheets are super soft and feel really comfortable. The Sherpa throw is so cute. It's double-sided. It has white on one side and gray on the other. I'm going to be snuggling with this all winter because it is so comfy and soft. I'm either going to be putting this at the end of my bed along with my decorative comforter and all that, or I'm going to be putting it on the couch with the rest of my blankets because that's where I usually sit at the end of the day so I can catch up on my favorite TV shows or watch a little movie. But anyways, I love both the sheets and the blanket. So comfortable, so cozy, super soft, great quality. Love them.
All right, so I just got back from HEB. I just took all of my groceries out of the bags. Now I'm gonna do a little grocery haul, show you everything I got. Starting over here, they had a coupon. I think it took $1 off of these, so I grabbed 2 of them. It's the HEB snack mix. This one is the s'mores flavored, and then I got lemon cream. I actually bought this a while back, but it was in a strawberry flavor. It was delicious. I really liked it, so I got these 2. It's just like a snack mix. It's got pretzels. It's got these yogurt coated marshmallows, rice squares. This one has graham cookies in it. This one has shortbread cookies, lemon rice squares, plain rice squares, lemon yogurt flavored coated marshmallows. That just sounds delicious, so I got 2 of those. I got a bag of mixed nuts, and then these just looked good, so I wanted to try them. It was called Keto Butter Toffee Peanuts. I actually tasted one in the store. They were delicious, so I'm glad I got a little handful. I picked up this Coke Zero for my cousin. He stayed with us last night, and that's what he likes. Figured he'd need something to drink, so Coke Zero for you, Ryan. I got a thing of pineapple juice. I got some high fiber instant oatmeal, apple cinnamon. I got a can of tuna because I'm also going to be making tuna. I was craving tuna sandwiches yesterday, and I didn't have anything to make it, so I'm making that today. I got 2 boxes of baking soda. I love having baking soda in my home. I love to use it for cleaning. If I run out of dishwasher detergent, you can actually mix a little baking soda with a drop of dish soap and some salt. That's if you run out of dishwasher detergent. It's a quick fix, so I got that. I also got it for my garbage disposal. If you know, you know. I picked up some peanut butter and cheese crackers, mayonnaise and relish, and celery for the tuna, orange juice, a Caesar salad for dinner tonight. I'm making chicken kebabs, which is why I also got some tzatziki dip. I probably pronounced that wrong, but it's okay. I got 2 packs of chicken. I'm gonna be cooking one of these tonight, freezing the other for another day. Did I already show the onion powder? I got onion powder, 2 lemons, aroma tomato, a red onion, some Hill Country Fare, which is HEB brand Fabuloso, basically, in lavender. I've been wanting some of this, so I got it. I love the smell of it. I got some minced garlic, some of these for the girls. I'm not gonna even pick them up, but they're the little, you know, they're crazy over them, so I don't wanna say nothing because they'll be up here trying to steal it. I got some of this Suave Keratin Infusion Conditioner. I also picked up this to try, a keratin with aloe vera and vitamin E hair mask. I got a pack of 3 pink sponges, some vinegar also for cleaning, a pack of eggs, and then I got some of these wax melts, eucalyptus and spearmint. Smells amazing. So yeah, I'm actually going to be starting the tuna now. So I guess I will film that. I think I already filmed that last time my mom stayed with me. I made tuna, but It's okay, it'll be part of the video. I'm gonna be making tuna for tuna sandwiches, and then I'm also going to be preparing a marinade for the chicken kebabs, so that'll be included also. Okay, so I just put my eggs on to boil. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the rest of the tuna though, because the eggs are gonna take a while, and I just wanna get this over with because I have to start my marinade for my kebabs. So I just wanna get this out of the way to be done and ready. All right, so I emptied the can into the bowl. Now I'm gonna chop up some celery. Okay, so I got my tuna in here. I'm gonna go ahead and add the chopped celery. I'm gonna add a squeeze of mustard. All right, I'm squeezing in some lemon juice. Now I am crushing up some saltines to add in here as well. I'm gonna add some onion powder, garlic powder, some salt and pepper. I'm also gonna add in some sweet relish, a lot of sweet relish. I'm gonna start adding in the mayonnaise. I'm gonna start with that much, mix it and see how it goes. And if I feel like I need to add more of anything else, I'll just do it. I'm still waiting on my eggs to get done. Those will go in last. And then she will be perfect. All right, we're gonna add in some more crackers, add some more lemon. Oop, got a seed in there. I'm gonna do a little taste test and see if I need to add any more seasonings. Actually, I'm gonna add a little bit more of the relish, some more garlic powder and more onion powder, a little more pepper, a little bit more of the crackers. Actually, I'm just gonna do the rest of it. And then she should be good. I was gonna wait for the eggs. Honestly, I'm starving. I had breakfast way earlier and then I went to the grocery store. I ain't trying to wait for them eggs, so I'm just gonna eat a little half of the sandwich with the tuna. Ooh, that was a lot. It's so good though. It's delicious. I can't wait for the eggs though. The eggs is my favorite part, honestly. I need to start my dishwasher. I need to get the marinade ready for the chicken. Did you want to buy? I'm so sorry, I forgot to ask you. Here. All right, so now it's time to make the marinade for my chicken. There's a lot of ingredients out here, so I'm just gonna tell you what they are real quick, and then I'm gonna get started. So I've got garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper, olive oil, turmeric, cumin, paprika, crushed red pepper, Greek yogurt, a lemon for some lemon juice, and also a lemon for some lemon zest. So I'm gonna go ahead and whip up this marinade. Then I'm gonna season my chicken and add that to the marinade. I'm gonna go ahead and add my Greek yogurt to a bowl. All right, so I added in my minced garlic. I'm gonna go ahead and zest some of this lemon. And now I'm going to squeeze some of that lemon I already had cut up in here as well. And now I'm gonna start adding all of my seasonings. So I'm gonna do some salt, some pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of olive oil, just a couple drips, lots of turmeric. So it's gonna give it the gorgeous color. I'll probably be adding more in just a little bit. I'm gonna add in some paprika, a little bit of the crushed red pepper, and some cumin. Then pretty much I'm just gonna mix it, and then I have to taste it to see what I need to add more of. So this is what it's looking like right now. It actually looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and season my chicken and add that in here. All right, so I got my chicken ready. I'm gonna go ahead and season my chicken with the garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper. Do that on both sides. And then I'm actually going to cut these pieces of chicken up into chunks and then put them in the marinade.
Same
just remembered I forgot one ingredient in the kebab marinade. Oh my goodness. Cinnamon. I totally forgot. So I'm just gonna put a little sprinkle of cinnamon all over the top and then remix it. I cannot believe I forgot that ingredient.
Might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. Talk to me, baby. I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading.
So my eggs finally finished. I've peeled them and chopped them up. I'm gonna go ahead and add them to the tuna now because they are cooled off. After I'm done doing this, I'm gonna rinse off this bowl, put it in the dishwasher, start the dishwasher, and then I'm gonna start cleaning the floor. All right, I'm gonna start cleaning the floors now. I'm using my wet dry vac.
Problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. If I could go back and make things right, I would have it undone. No, I hurt you. Yeah, I was blind. The blame is mine. Yeah, I feel the weight on my shoulders. Know that I regret it. Hope
Hey guys, it's me, Charity, and I'm making chicken today for my hubby Bobby.
know that I regret it. Hope we find our way back to love.
So I made my rice off camera. I just cooked some basmati rice in my rice cooker, and then once it was done, I added in some salt and pepper, butter, and lots of turmeric.
We would get everything now. No one can love me better.
And this is our meal. It's officially done. We had a Caesar salad with the basmati rice, the chicken kebabs, and the tomatoes and the red onions. Everything turned out absolutely delicious. Believe it or not, we ate every drop. There was only a little bit of rice left over, but other than that, we ate all of it. After that, I cleaned the kitchen, and then we all just chilled on the couch and watched TV. But anyways, I just want to say thanks so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!